Stop wasting money on welding gear that can't keep up with real shop work. If you've been searching for the best welding, metal cutting CNC machine, this video will save you hours of research. Today, I'm breaking down 3 laser welding and CNC metal cutting machines turning heads on Amazon right now, built to replace your MIG, TIG, and plasma cutter with a single tool. I dug through the real specs, real capabilities, and real customer feedback so you don't have to guess which one is worth your garage or shop space. Stick around because the final pick might completely change how you think about metal fabrication. Let's break these down. First up is the XLASERLAB X1 Pro, a 700-watt fiber laser welder built as a true all-in-one. It welds, cuts, cleans, strips rust, and can even be adapted for underwater welding and CNC retrofit work, all from one handheld unit. It works on stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, copper, titanium, and galvanized sheet, cutting up to roughly 3 millimeters and welding thicker structural stock in a single pass. Its thermal management is rated for over 10,000 hours of laser life. Pros: true multifunction versatility, beginner-friendly one-touch presets, wide metal compatibility, strong laser lifespan. Cons: still require shielding gas for clean welds, and reviewers note a short learning curve before results get consistent. Reviewers who tested the X1 Pro were impressed with how easily it welded dissimilar metals together, something traditional welders struggle with, and called the rust removal feature a genuine time saver for restoration work. Next is the xTool MetalFab 800W, a different approach entirely. This system pairs a detached handheld welding torch with a full CNC laser cutting bed, so you get automated cutting and manual welding from one laser source. Its dual camera system with AI-assisted nesting helps line up cuts and get more usable parts from every sheet of metal. It welds stainless and carbon steel up to about 4 millimeters, and the CNC bed handles noticeably thicker cutting jobs, with 10 built-in safety systems and a wide operating range. Pros: real CNC cutting bed plus a portable welding gun, camera-guided nesting, strong safety certifications, built for shop or mobile use. Cons: larger footprint since it includes a cutting bed, runs on 220-volt power, and there's a learning curve with 2 functions to master. Owners and reviewers frequently point to the quick swap between welding and CNC cutting as the standout feature. Rounding out the list is the Eastwood VersaCut CNC plasma table and 40-amp plasma cutter set, perfect for anyone serious about CNC metal cutting. This all-in-one bundle includes a plasma table with an intuitive LCD touchscreen CNC controller, so you don't need a separate laptop to run your cutting programs. It comes preloaded with standard shapes and also accepts custom CNC files through a USB port, with rugged stepper motors for smooth, accurate cuts. Pros: true CNC automation for repeatable precision, no external computer required, dual voltage flexibility, and it's backed by Eastwood's long reputation and lifetime tech support. Cons: plasma cutting naturally leaves more heat and slag than laser cutting, and the table itself takes up real floor space, so it's best suited to a dedicated shop area. Customer feedback: customers praise the straightforward CNC controller for beginners and mention how the preloaded shape library saves setup time on projects. So there you have it, 3 powerful machines that can seriously upgrade your welding, metal cutting, and CNC fabrication game, whether you're working out of a home garage or running a small shop.
Each one brings something different to the table, so think about what your projects actually need before you decide. Links to all 3 are down in the description below, so you can check the current details for yourself. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next metalworking tool breakdown. Share this with a friend who's always working on a project in the garage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.